Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. So viewers, today I'm sharing with you a recipe of energy laddu. So it's a laddu full of lots of nutrition and energy. So let's get started. So here first I will heat ghee in a pan, and I'm going to add some dry fruits. So here in these dry fruits I have taken almonds, walnuts, melon seeds, cashew, and I have also added some dry coconut into it. And here guys, actually these dry fruits are the leftover dry fruits of the laddus that I have made last time, so that's why I could not show the whole dry fruits, but I am roasting it here once again, and I will be using the same dry fruits to prepare the laddus again. So because these are the left dry fruits from the last laddus that I have made, you will see small dates also into it. Now again I will heat ghee, and I will add these dates into it to mash it so that it will be easy to mold it into laddus. So this is done guys. Now here guys, I have added the dry fruits into the dates. I have also added 3 tablespoons of peanut butter into it, and I'm so sorry I could not record that as I forgot to on my video. So that is already done, and I'm mixing everything together. So you can see the peanut butter that I have already added. It's really nice to have this laddus in the morning guys, the very first thing which you could have in the morning, which will give you lots of energy, because it has dates, which in itself is a lot nutritious, and along with it, it has a lot of dry fruits into it. So guys, do try this recipe. So my laddus are ready, and you also do try it and enjoy this recipe, and let me know in the comments if you liked it.